Monastery Event Center is a building that opened in 1895 as a Catholic church. They closed it in 1977. We were approached to look at it and see if we could turn it into an event venue. We determined we could. We opened a year later, and we now do about 125 weddings a year. Initially, I was a little leery because we were having such trouble, and I thought Johnson Controls would be able to handle it. But after talking with them and recommending Amy at Solid Blend, as she and I started down the path on this project, I quickly realized that she had expertise that Johnson didn't have in their toolbox. And as we progressed, she became more and more invaluable to us with her knowledge. We found that strainers on the different units throughout the building were clogged. The boiler would go offline and we wouldn't get heat.
The heating loop was consistently going down due to the boilers getting clogged. So we felt the best rapid response would be to go ahead and drain the system, to continually flush it out and get all the sediment out via filtration and flushing. Doug expressed an interest in having his chilled loop looked at also. We took a glycol sample and sent it out for analysis, and we noticed that at some point there had been city water added to the system, which had completely threw off the pH and added sediment to the closed loop system. The win-win solution that we came up with was to drain all the glycol out of the system, perform a cleaning with our Blend Flush product, and add new glycol to the system. We also had the mechanical contractor install a filtration unit so that we can continue to remove any remaining sediment that's there. The outcome is that they have went months without having any clogs in their boiler system, which is great, and their cooling system is now working more efficiently, and they have less likelihood of any downtime.
And the goal is to avoid the costly repair bills that we ran into in the winter. We're about 4 months into this. It's been a pleasant surprise. I anticipate that we'll get through this coming winter and future winters without much problem.
We safeguard water.